In the midst of a Friday evening, Kevin, a 9-year-old homework warrior, sits at the table, papers sprawled out like a battlefield. His father, determined to help, leans in, only to realize that the word problems seem written in hieroglyphics. If every apple costs $3, how many apples can you buy with $10? Kevin stares blankly, munching on a snack, as his dad responds with, "Well, if I added 5 apples, I could make a pie." Just then, the dog jumps up, snatching Kevin's notes and dashing off, igniting a comedic chase around the living room. Amidst the laughter, the homework forgotten, Dad realizes pie may not be the solution after all.